Hello class, how are you? Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Antes de comenzar la clase, vamos a hacer un repaso. So, let's begin with the alphabet. Repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This one. I, like J. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, like you. B, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's practice the types of hair. So, repeat. Long, short, blonde, brown, curly, straight. Now let's practice the shapes. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, diamond. Now here we have the use of the TH. Remember, it's recuerda que tienes que morderte la lengua como. Okay, so here. 3, bath, teeth. Then we're going to practice animals and adjectives. So repeat. Elephant, giraffe, monkey, big, because the t-shirt is very big, tall, little, now the t-shirt is very little, tiger, snake, parrot, polar bear, and the last one here is seal. And remember, you have to practice your spelling bee list from 1 to 141. Okay, remember, it's very important. Now you're going to open your class book in page 83, and remember, you have to write here on the top the short date, 7/5/2020. And we are going to learn the phonics A. Nosotros ya sabemos qué letra es la letter A, pero cuando se encuentra en medio de dos consonantes, cuando la decimos o cuando la leemos, su sonido es A. For example, cat, man, fan. You're going to play the audio 116.
K-A-T, cat. M-A-N, man. F-A-N, fan.
Tú lo vas a escuchar y lo vas a repetir. Ahorita yo lo tengo en modo rápido, pero te voy a poner los audios en tu ficha para que los puedas hacer con calma. ¿Ok?
And repeat.
Now repeat.
K-A-T, cat. M-A-N, man.
Now repeat there. Man.
A-N, fan.
Then you're going to go to the chant. You are going to listen and read. And then you're going to play it again. And you're going to say the chant aloud, okay? And here also in the chant, you are going to circle, remember, circle all the phonics A, okay? And finally, you're going to go here and you are going to order the words. When you finish, close your class book and go to your workbook, page 83. Now open your workbook in page 83. Remember to write here on the top the short date, and you are going to match letter C to this at and then letter H to here, and you are going to write the correct words, okay? Here, for example, you match and you write the correct word. Then, in exercise number 2, you are going to complete the sentences. And finally, in exercise number 3, you are going to help the cat and the man find their things. So here you're going to join and color all the words that are in at, 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 and what is from the cat. And then the man, and, 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 and. And what is the thing of the man? And when you finish, you are going to copy these in a worksheet. Remember, this is the worksheet you can do. Or if you haven't got one, you can use a paper in your notebook, and you are going to print. Or if you can't print, si no lo puedes imprimir, no te preocupes, lo puedes copiar en tu cuaderno y colorearlo y dibujarlo muy bonito. And we're gonna have a family time. Con tu familia vas a decir a happy cat. Vas a leer este párrafo y todo es con phonics A. Look, listen. A happy cat with a fan can clap a crab with a cap in a bag. And you're going to say it with your family. Now, who can say it faster? You have to say it very fast, very fast. And that's it for today, class. See you tomorrow. Bye.